Hi, this is Sean, and this was my attempt at a vSphere appliance setup. First, I'll pull up my ESXi machine. This is the VM, and that's the static IP address I assigned to it. Next, I had the RAID 0 for 60 gigs created. And then if you go to shares, I have my data store NFS share. They can also connect to the VMware vSphere client. As soon as it loads up. There we go. And here you can see the data store. This is where the issue I ran into. The last thing I had to do on this lab was install the vCenter server appliance. I was able to connect to the server, set up my virtual machine. I was able to select everything, including appliance size, which I was having issues before. It seems to show the data store 1 at 17 gigs. Hi, this is Sean, and this is my vCenter appliance setup lab. First, I have my ESXi VM. That is this. I have the static IP address set. Next, when you access an open filer on my Windows client, I created the RAID 0 60 gigs. And then if you go to shares, I have the NFS data store. And then here, I've connected to the ESXi, and I have the data store and my storage. The issue I had with this lab, I wasn't able to completely finish it. I was at the very last part of it. Was installing the vCenter server appliance. I was able to connect to my server, set up my virtual machine and everything. My only issue is this data store. It only shows 17 gigs, and it said there's insufficient disk space. It, for some reason, would not allow me to connect. Everything's on the same subnet. I wasn't really sure what the issue was. I would like to have known so I could have got this installed. But this lab was pretty much all done except for this last part, which is finishing the install. And that's my lab. Thank you.